What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to Humphrey House. I am here today with a video about vision boards. Yesterday I went to a vision board party and I thought it would be a good idea to kind of explain what a vision board is. I'm pretty sure many are familiar with vision boards or whatnot, but if you are not familiar, or if you want to refresh, or if you just like to see what other people put on their vision boards to kind of give you an idea of what you should put on yours, or to kind of just get a general idea, continue watching this video. So what is a vision board? Basically, in my opinion, a visual representation of your goals or your intentions for the year or the future, whatever you decide it to be. If manifestation had a face, it would be a vision board. So basically, you are putting your goals on a vision board and bringing these goals into fruition within the coming year or like in the future or whatnot. So before I get started, I just want to emphasize that I kind of have a love-hate relationship with vision boards, because previously I had things on my vision board that I did not accomplish, and it made me feel like bad about, kind of like people associate not accomplishing things with failure, you know? So I just want you to know that you do not have to accomplish everything on your vision board. As long as you have goals and the intention is there, that's all that matters. You know, with age and with growth, things change, and our vision and our goals will change too. So here's my vision board. And let's see. My mindset, my title for my vision board is Mind, Body, Spirit. And I just want to live a simple life, ensuring that my mind, body, and spirit is 100% in line. So all of these things wraps up into mind, body, spirit. Those are my intentions. Those are my goals for the year. And that's what I want to focus on. My mind, mindfulness, my body, physical fitness, spirit, spirituality. Making sure I am well-rounded all around, and living an intentional, mindful life, simple life. That's all I want. I want to invest in wellness, my wellness, mentally, financially, physically, emotionally, relationally. I just want to work on that. So let's see. I have Oprah here. She's doing her little garden, because one day I'm going to have an herb garden. I have the universe, or the stars and the moon, that pretty much reminds me that, the universe is always talking to us, and we just need to be quiet and find time to listen. Because I have some photography goals here, organization goals, gratitude, just finding gratitude in things that I already have, instead of wanting more. I want to continue to practice meditation and just be youthful, beautiful, and healthy. Just real simple with solutions with style. Let's see. Do some more yoga. I currently do like a kickboxing, boxing workout, but I also want to do more yoga and get more flexible. My plan to redirect stress, meal prep, make meals, for the week, and stop buying food, I don't know. This is a waste of money when you have food at home, but we all just get so lazy and don't feel like cooking, but whatever. I have Solange here because she's just, although Beyonce is like her sister, and Beyonce is like well known and the greatest, a GOAT pretty much. Beyonce is the GOAT, but she still managed to find her own individuality. She didn't like walk in her sister's shadow. She found who she is, and I just love who she is, and just her grace and her presence and her she's like a creative genius, so I just admire that about her. She's just all about natural beauty, and also her blackness is right there. So she's pro-black. That's what I'm trying to say, pro-black. So I have some tea here. I have a message to just do it. Whatever you're dreaming of, whatever you're thinking of, or trying to cultivate or whatnot, just do it. You have to just plan and just do it. If you want to do anything in life, you just have to just do it. Like, like Nike. Cliche, but like Nike. And plants. Plants were also here. I have a home garden, so I like to find, I like to nurture to my plants and collect them and learn about them. And I have a whole room dedicated, and I am going to do a plant tour soon. So energy, gratitude, natural beauty. My family is here as well. I've been married going on 6 years. This is my 6th year coming in July. 6 years. So you can have it horizontally or vertically. It just depends on how your brain operates, and my brain operates this way. And to me, it just looks like a whole bunch of everything on one board. But this is my life. Like, I have a bunch of everything going on, and I just wrapped it all up. And this circle in the middle is like all of these things, all of my interests, all wrapped into success. All of these things pretty much mean success to me. What helped me find fulfillment in myself, continue to discover myself, make healing a priority. Really good quote here. Success is the progressive realization of enjoying good health. Success is the ability to love, have compassion. Success is getting in touch with your creative source. All of these come from your creative source, which in spiritual traditions is the soul. So whatever visions that you have, a vision board, if you believe in them, just cut and paste, and manifest your goals. That's basically what it is. If you've done a vision board before, put down some strategies or what worked for you in the comment section. If you don't believe in them, that's completely fine too. You don't have to believe in me or whatever. But again, 2020 is deemed the year of clarity, and just having a clear vision, and knowing what your goals are visually will help you stay on track. Some things you may not accomplish, and that's okay, because you don't have to accomplish everything. Just have the intention there to work towards your goals, but don't beat yourself up if you don't get a 6-pack tomorrow or something. You have to continue to work. It's a year in, 1 year coming on the 28th postpartum. I'm still working on, my pre-pregnancy body, which I would never have, but I'm working on the one that I do have. So I'm still wearing my waist trainer, trying to get snatched for the vacation. That is a vision board. I hope this video wasn't too long, and I hope you liked it. If you have any questions or comments, put them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching.